Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the 5 best sous vide machines in 2020. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on quality, performance, price and more. If you're looking for a sous vide machines that provides ease of use and top performance, then you're on the right place. To find out more information about these sous vide machines, you can check out the description below. Let's get started. At number 1 we have the Innova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Innova Precision Cooker Wi-Fi, perfect to cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Serves up to 12. Fits on any pot. Adjustable clamp, cook like a pro. The Innova Precision Cooker allows anyone to cook a restaurant-quality meal at home. Perfect results, every time. Precision cooking enables you to produce results that are impossible to achieve through any other cooking method. No dry edges and no rare centers. Juices and flavors don't escape. Food comes out perfectly moist and tender. Continuous temperature control provides reliable and consistent results, every time. Perfect for vegetables, meat, fruit, cheese and much more. Smart device control and cooking notifications. The precision cooker can be controlled remotely with smart devices, allowing you to escape from the kitchen while you cook. Simply download the Innova app to easily monitor, adjust or control the device from your iPhone, Android or other smart devices. The precision cooker also provides you cooking notifications while you're out of the kitchen, so you'll know when your food is ready. The precision cooker's Wi-Fi connection allows you to control the device from anywhere. Easy to use. Simply attach the precision cooker to any pot, add water, drop in desired food in a sealed bag or glass jar. Start cooking with the touch of a button. The sous vide cooker's timer and precise temperature control allow you to step away and relax while your food cooks perfectly. No additional equipment needed. At number 2 we have the Sous Vide Immersion Circulator Cooker. Fast and simple, just plug it in and go. While other sous vide machines are fraught with many problems that their customers encounter, our sous vide cooker is simple and easy to use, right out of the box. You can check our reviews against our competitors. GKC's history of quality. Our reviews prove it, because our focus is simply on serving our customers and their needs. We have intentionally chosen not to make our immersion circulator connectable. We've heard from our customers that they want a machine that is simple and easy to set up and use. Just plug it in and go. No worries about pairing to Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi connection issues, no need to call tech support just to get your unit to work. Luxury materials, affordable cost. Some units are starting to skimp on their materials to lower their cost. Plastic pump housing, a stationary clamp, narrow min-max water level range. Skimping on these details make it harder for you to cook your dinner. Delay start timer. Our unique delay start timer lets you delay the start of your cooking cycle without having to physically be there. Just set up the delay start, and your cook cycle will start exactly when you need it to, for dinner to be done and ready when you are. No need to be at home to babysit it. Includes storage sleeve. We are the only brand that includes a free storage sleeve with our unit. No wrapping your expensive unit in paper towels for storage. Your unit will be protected from dings and dents in our beautiful black sleeve. At number 3 we have the Yeti Total Package Sous Vide Cooker. A brand you can trust, as seen on Oprah's Favorite Things, Good Morning America, The View, InStyle, Business Insider and more. Sous vide cooker, heats and circulates water at an exact temperature. Range of 77 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 99 hours 59 minutes of cook time. The built-in clamp secures the sous vide onto any heat-safe bucket, pot, or pan. Super Max accessory kit, included as 1 hand pump, 20 reusable FDA certified and BPA free vacuum sealed bags, 4 sous vide container clips, and 2 sous vide vacuum bag sealing clips. Recipes, included as a recipe book and cooking timetable cheat sheets. In addition, the Yeti Houseware Appliances website has tons of recipes, and the Yeti Houseware Instagram has new content and recipe videos uploaded every week. Heats up fast, 1000 watts of power for hyper-fast water heating. Designed to be ultra-quiet while achieving Michelin restaurant-level quality cooking results. Cook everything from beef, chicken, pork, veggies, seafood, eggs, chocolate and more. No fuss, no noise, no overcooking anymore. At number 4 we have the Breville Jewel Sous Vide, 1100 watts, white body, stainless steel cap and base. Joule is the smallest, most powerful sous vide tool available. The top and base are cold forged from solid stainless steel for maximum durability and corrosion resistance, saves space, half the size of other sous vide machines. It fits in your silverware drawer. Visual doneness and chef-tested recipes. Exclusive visual doneness feature in the Joule app shows exactly how food turns out before you start cooking. Also includes more than 100 cooking guides, custom developed for the Joule community by our in-house chefs. Cook with Bluetooth alone, or control Joule remotely with Wi-Fi. No special equipment, your trusty phone, a favorite pot, a Ziploc-style bag, and water. That's all you need to get cooking. With a magnetic base and a versatile clip, Joule can attach to almost any container, from a small saucepan to a cooler. Fast and precise, with 1100 watts of power, heats water faster than most sous vide machines. Precise to 0.2 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.1 degrees Celsius. Control Joule with your voice using the custom Joule Alexa skill.